Back again, and as I said, my father bought some important Arduino parts for me and I'm really excited to unbox them. So let's go to my table and I will show you what did I got there, and let's see. Hope you will enjoy it. At first, so this is the bag. Actually, there are many stuffs. For 1 year I bought all the stuffs together. I do. So let's read all the things. Oh, so as you can see, there are pretty much many stuffs here. And let's start one by one. So this is two breadboards, and this is two breadboards. Actually, I set them to give this kind of Vero boards and Vero boards, this kind of, but they mistakenly gave this kind of, because the shop from where my father bought these things, that shop is wholesale and everything's price is very low price. So there was many people's buying things, that's why they did a mistakes. No problem, I will change those. So this is the Vero board, as you can see. Also they gave this breadboard, and if I show you this Vero board, see, it is very fresh and it looks nice, and it has a double side tape. If you want to stick it in your wall or in your table, anywhere you can. So then after this is the Vero board, and after that I have bought some BC547 transistors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Actually these are very important if you are making a relay module or anything. It is very important for any kind of, and it is very known to people also. Many kinds of it is used for doing many kinds of projects also. So I bought this, and this one is a LM35 temperature sensor. It almost looks like this one, DC547, but it is, as you can see, it is in a single packet. So as if let me show you the number. I think you can see it in the middle line. You can see LM35, and this is the temperature sensor. So then I have this 16 by 2 LCD screen, 16 characters and 2 rows. I made a video, but that was on Proteus, but after some days I will make it on practically. So this one is a LCD screen, and then I bought two servo motors. As I said, I control two servo motors in Proteus, but means, by the way, I will do everything in practically also. After some days I will start making all the tutorials again. So I bought these two servo motors, and the servo motors look like this, and this is the very cheap price servo motor, and this is the low price servo motor made ever. So I bought two of them. And then I have this 4 TT gear motors. If you are making a line follower or any kind of robot car, you will need these gears. So, then I have this Bluetooth module, 8606 Bluetooth module. There is another model, 8605. So I bought this one. You can buy any one, all are same. In case of pins, there are 2 pins much in this 8606. In 8605 there are 2 pins less. Then I have, oh I forgot, you can make a Bluetooth control car from mobile, means you can control a car from mobile. So this Bluetooth module means if you make a car. And then, as I said, I don't have a motor driver. Let me unbox it. As I said, there is another motor driver, that is L2918. Actually this one is an L2918 motor driver. As you can see, the same thing. There is another model, in case of that, these pins will be in this side, but the functions is same. So this one is the L2918 motor driver, and then this is the packet, show it. And then the main thing comes, this is the Arduino Uno, our programming board. So this is the main thing, and it's all for me, and I bought it, and this is the main thing. Actually without this nothing will work. So let's unpack it. This is the packet, throw it up. So this is the Arduino Uno, and it is correct. As you can see, it is the brand new thing. Looks nice, and I will be able to make many kinds of projects. So okay, let's keep it aside. And then I have this thing. This is a sound sensor. Actually many things will be new for you, but you will be able to understand everything's work when you will see my tutorials that I will do practically, and it will be very enjoyable also. Also I will do many projects. So this is a sound sensor. Actually it It can means catch any kind of sounds. If any kind of sound occurs in front of it, it will catch it. So this is also a useful thing. And then it is the PIR motion sensor. Let me show you this side. So this is a PIR motion sensor, means if anything moves in front of it, any kind of motion, anything, it will detect it. So you might have seen some people or some students make thief catcher machines with Arduino, thief catching machines. They all actually made that kind of machines with this PIR motion sensor. So I also made this. This is the packet through it. So then I have this RFID sensor. Suppose you have a ID card of your own. Then if you want to make your room like that, the door of your room, if anyone comes with your ID card, then only he can open your room. Means suppose you came with your ID card and you put the ID card in front of this board, only then the door will open, or else not. So this is the main thing, and it is very useful in case of home security. So I will also need this. Then I have this RTC module. If you are making any kind of clock, means let's show you. So this is the RTC module. If you are making any kind of clock, then you will need this. So I'll make one with this. Okay. Then this is a 1600 megahertz crystal. As I said, many people make their own Arduino. See, this is the Arduino at Mega 328P IC. If you match it with this and this is same. And I know how to make my own Arduino, so I will. So that's why I bought this, and I will also show you how to make your own Arduino. So let's give it a side, the Arduino also. And then I also have some male connectors, female connectors. This side. And then I have some diodes. 1 and 4 is the 007. This is for relay modules and many things I need. So and then the same thing I bought. This is L29 3D motor driver. As you can see, it's clear to see. L29 a 3D motor driver. I'll use it for many, suppose for obstacle avoiding car, for line follower, and anything I'll use it. So then I have these jumper wires. As I said, this is very important. There are 3 kinds of jumper wires, that is this male to female, and another one female to female, and there is another kind of jumper wire that is male to male, but I don't need that one, that's why I didn't bought it. So, and then this is the wire. As I said, I got it free. Actually this one is for uploading the sketch in the Arduino. I got it with this one, no need to buy it externally. So this is with this, and at the last I have this relays, meaning the 5-volt relays. See, 5-volt DC. These are the 5-volt relays. I will use this for making 5-volt means relay modules, so that I can control the real life lights with this. So as you can see, I bought many stuffs, and I will give the number of the seller, and the shop is wholesale, and everything, I swear everything is in low price, so you can buy the parts from those. So that's for today, and you will be not be waiting for many other projects, so you will see many kind of projects with this. I will make after some days, and that's for today, and see you in my next video. And I promise my next video will be on a tutorial or a project. So that's for today. Goodbye, see you in my next video.